In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rising Wedge Chart Pattern quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull up the Rising Wedge pattern on your Tradingview chart so you can analyze potential reversal setups more efficiently. I'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Tradingview or chart patterns, you can follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. On most layouts, it's in the upper section of the chart, usually labeled indicators or indicators and strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main indicators window, which is where you can search for built-in tools and patterns. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar and type the word wedge. You don't need to type the full phrase. Just the word wedge is enough to filter the available tools. After a brief moment, Tradingview will show a list of related indicators, scripts, and patterns that match your search. From that list, look for the option named Rising Wedge Chart Pattern. This is the built-in pattern recognition tool that automatically scans your chart for rising wedge formations. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, Tradingview will add the Rising Wedge Pattern tool to your chart. You may notice colored shapes or outlines appear wherever the software detects a rising wedge based on price action. If nothing shows up right away, try zooming out a little, changing the time frame, or scrolling back in history. Sometimes patterns are easier to spot on higher time frames or over a longer price range. You can also open the indicator settings to adjust how strict or loose the pattern detection is, depending on your trading style. Once you're comfortable with it, you can save your chart layout so the Rising Wedge Pattern tool is always available whenever you return. And if you want to unlock more advanced features, extra alerts, and additional indicators, you can upgrade your Tradingview account using my affiliate link in the description. It's a great way to access more powerful tools while supporting the channel at the same time. That's all you need to quickly add the Rising Wedge Chart Pattern in Tradingview. Follow these steps a few times and it will become second nature every time you analyze a chart.